Welcome to Sage Live. In this video, we'll show you how you can use Sage Live's standard reports to create and view in real time a snapshot of your business information. Sage Live includes many standard reports and dashboards right out of the box. You can use Sage Live reporting and dashboards to quickly understand your business performance, speed decision-making based on insight into metrics, and then take appropriate action. Let's get started learning about Sage Live reports. A Sage Live report is a set of business data which has been filtered down to make it more meaningful. A report includes a report type, report options to narrow the data, and simple charts that summarize the data right on the report. You can access Sage Live reports from the Financial Reports tab on the Sage Live homepage and from any place that a Reports subtab appears, such as on the Sales and Purchases pages. In this video, we'll access Sage Live reports from the Financial Reports tab on the Sage Live homepage. When you select the Financial Reports tab, the Financial Reports page displays. From here, you can view and access the reports that come built in with Sage Live. Just below the Financial Reports title, you see the currently selected company. In this example, the selected company is North American Consulting. If you want to view a different company, click on the current company name. When the Change Company dialog box opens, click on the drop-down menu and select the company that you want to see. For this example, we'll stay with North American Consulting, so I'll click Cancel to return to the Financial Reports page. Below the company name, you can see the category of reports currently displayed. In this example, the key financial reports are listed. To see the available report categories, click the drop-down menu. For now, I'll keep the default of key financial reports. Below the reports category, you can see the filter by year and the filter by period options, where you can set the parameters for running a report. Here we have the current year selected and the third reporting period. Once you set the parameters, you can access the most common business reports from the Financial Reports page and from other locations, as we'll see shortly. So, to run a report, click the name of a report in the list. For this example, I'll select Balance Sheet. When the report is generated, you can select Print to download a PDF document or to print a hard copy of the report. Next, we'll return to the Financial Reports page. From here, you can select the Other Reports option to see more reports that come built in with Sage Live. By default, the Reports page displays the most recently accessed reports. On the left side of the page, you can see the other options for viewing reports and report folders. The list of reports includes descriptions and folder locations. To run a report from any list, simply click on the name of the report. For this example, I'll choose Chart of Accounts. After the report runs, the data displays based on the defined parameters and filters for the report. Sage Live lets you edit and format reports to meet your individual needs. However, you should always first save a copy of the standard report and then edit your copy so that you don't overwrite the existing reports. Some of the Sage Live dashboards use the standard reports as the source of data, so modifying the standard Sage Live reports may break existing dashboards. To make a copy of the standard report, select Clone from the Edit drop-down menu. Enter a name for your report. If you want others to have access, select a Public Folder option. For this example, I'll select Sage Financial Reports. Then click Create. Notice that the name of the report has changed. Next, I'll select the Edit option once again to view the fields and filters defined for the report. The Report Preview page displays. At the top of the page, you can see the options for adding data filters, including data fields and time ranges. You can choose also whether to display or hide data details. I'll turn off the Details option for this report. After making changes, save your report and select Run Report to see a preview. Notice that the report now shows less detail and displays the data in a more summarized format. You may want to display your data in a graphical format. This is very easy to do with Sage Live reports. Click the chart icon and now the report also displays a bar chart. Use the Export Details option to export the raw data from this report to an Excel format or a comma-delimited CSV format so that you can format and manipulate the data even further. If you want, you can subscribe to a report so that you receive email updates at times that you specify. From the Edit drop-down menu, select Subscribe and then complete the form. Once again, we'll return to the Financial Reports page, and this time we'll select the Other Dashboards option. With Sage Live, you can customize dashboards so that you can quickly and easily view multiple reports in graphical format. When the Dashboards page opens, the most recently accessed dashboards are displayed. There are dashboards that are configured for your desktop and those configured for mobile devices. For this example, I'll select the Desktop Company dashboard. Just as with the Sage Live standard reports, you should always make a copy of a dashboard and then edit the copy. So from the Edit drop-down menu, select Clone. Then enter a name for your dashboard and a folder where you want to save it. For this example, I'll select Private Dashboards and then select Create. Now I can configure the dashboard with the information that is most relevant to me. First, I'll select Edit, and then I'll delete items that I'm not interested in. I want to include the graph from my new report, so I'll select Add. In the Report field, I'll start typing the name of the report associated with the graph, and I'll select the My Chart of Accounts report when it appears in the list. On the left side of the Add Component dialog box, you can further refine the chart if you want to. Then click Add to include the chart on the dashboard. Click and drag the chart to where you want to place it on the dashboard. To edit the chart, click the pencil icon. I'm going to change the graph so that the data displays in a circle graph. When you're finished editing the chart, click Save and then click Done. To view the data in report format for any graph on your dashboard, click the View Report link. With Sage Live Reporting, you can examine your organization's data in almost infinite combinations, display it in easy-to-understand formats, and share the resulting insights with others through Sage Live dashboards. Thank you for watching this Sage video. For more information about Sage Live classes, visit the Sage University website.